Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech and we have started conjunctions in which we have completed first type and today we are going to start second type, that is subordinating conjunctions. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, so first of all, we will see what is a conjunction. So, conjunction is like glue. It helps things to stick together. Here in this picture, you can see that glue is used to join pages. So, that is why this is the function of glue, to join parts. The same way, a conjunction joins words, phrases and sentences which are called clauses. Let's see types of conjunction. There are total 3 types. First type, coordinating conjunction. Second, subordinating conjunction. And third, correlative conjunction. So we have already completed coordinating conjunction by completing FANBOYS. Now today we are going to see second type, that is subordinating conjunction. Let's see the definition of subordinating conjunction. The subordinating conjunction is a conjunction used to connect two unlike clauses, phrases or sentences from which one is a subordinate clause or you can say dependent clause. Here unlike, it means that different clauses, phrases or sentences are joined together with the help of subordinating conjunction. In other words, we can say a subordinate conjunction joins a main or you can say an independent clause to a subordinate or dependent clause. So, in subordinating conjunction, two clauses will come. First main clause and then subordinate clause, or you can say independent sentence or dependent clause, and both are joined with the help of subordinating conjunction. Let's see the formula. First main clause will come. It means that here you have to start with independent clause. Then subordinating conjunction will come and then subordinating clause or you can say dependent clause will come. If you are getting confused between coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions, then this slide will help you to understand in a better way. So let's see the difference between both. First sentence, Renu is playing and Richa is sleeping. So two sentences are given and both are independent sentences. They are joined with the help of and. So here Renu is playing, that is complete sentence. Richa is sleeping, that is also complete sentence, and both of them have equal importance. That's why they are joined with the help of and that is why and is called coordinating conjunction. Second sentence, catch me if you can. Here two clauses are given and they are joined with subordinating conjunction. So here first, that is main clause, and second you can, that is subordinate clause, or you can say here independent clause and dependent. Dependent we can say why, because this sentence cannot stand on its own, so it needs some help. So that's why catch me if you can. If you speak this way only, then it completes the meaning. That's why. So here catch me, that is main clause or you can say independent clause. They are two two clauses are joined with the help of if, that is why if, that is subordinating conjunction, and you can, that is subordinate clause, or you can say dependent clause. So I hope you understood the difference between coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Let's move to subordinating conjunction, and first is because. Now here because means reason. It shows reason. You can use as or since in place of because. For example, I was late for college because, or as, or you can use since my bike had a flat tire. So here two clauses are mentioned. First is main and then subordinate clause. Then they are joined with the help of the subordinating conjunction, that is because, as, you can also put since, because all three have the same meaning. Now here how to understand that we have to use the subordinate clause first or main clause first. So first you have to remember that whenever you use this subordinating conjunction, after that you have to use this subordinate clause, and before that main clause will come. Second, I could not drink the coffee because, or since, or as it was too hot. Now here I could not drink the coffee. This is main clause, and it was too hot, that is subordinate clause, because it doesn't make any sense if we use this only. That's why we have to use the whole thing. I could not drink the coffee because it was too hot, and both these clauses are joined with the help of subordinating conjunction, that is because, since, or as. Okay, let's see more sentences. She cannot attend the conference because, or as, she is ill. So here she cannot attend the conference, this is main clause, and she is ill, that is subordinate clause. And here because, or as, or since, that is called subordinating conjunction. Third one, he was punished because, or since, he was late. So here he was punished, that is main, and this he was late, that is subordinate clause. Next, I avoid shopping on the weekend because, or as, it is always crowded. So here it is always crowded, that is subordinate clause, and I avoid shopping on the weekend, that is main clause. It means that this is independent clause, whereas this is dependent, and both are joined with the help of because, or as, that is called subordinating conjunction. Next, Kate was happy because, or since, she won the competition. So here she won the competition, that is subordinate clause, and here Kate was happy, that is main clause. Because, or since, that is subordinating conjunction. Next, as he was not there, I spoke to his brother. Now here, as he was not there, immediately after as, this sentence comes. That's why he was not there, this is subordinate clause, and I spoke to his brother, that is independent clause, and here both are joined with the help of as, that's why this is subordinating conjunction. Next, that is as. Okay, as means in the same way or manner, that is the meaning of as. Do this exercise as I instruct you. Okay, here as, that is subordinating conjunction, I instruct you, that is subordinate clause, and here do this exercise, this is main clause. See here, main clause as subordinating conjunction and I instruct you, that is subordinate clause. Next, they prepared the project as that architect suggested. So here they prepared the project, that is main clause, as that is subordinating conjunction, and after as what comes, that architect suggested. So this is subordinate clause. Third one, you may do as you please. So here you may do. So this is main clause as subordinating conjunction. You please, that is subordinate clause. Next, the servant doesn't work as he is instructed. So here the servant doesn't work, that is main clause, as subordinating clause conjunction. He is instructed, that is subordinate clause. Next, plants breathe as animals do. So here plants breathe, main clause, as subordinating conjunction. Animals do, that is subordinate clause. Why? Because this animals do, this sentence is dependent, and here plants breathe, that is independent clause, and both are joined with the help of as, that is subordinating conjunction. All the books must be arranged as you are instructed. Here all the books must be arranged, main clause, as subordinating conjunction. You are instructed, subordinate clause. Next, you must consult your fellow travelers as a courtesy. So here you must consult your fellow travelers, that is main clause. Here as subordinating conjunction, a courtesy, that is subordinate clause. I do it as I choose to. So here I do it, independent clause, as subordinating conjunction. I choose to, dependent clause. Let's do related exercise. Choose appropriate conjunctions from the given brackets. Okay, 5 sentences are given with brackets. You have to choose appropriate conjunctions from brackets. Do it now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, he was industrious. I encouraged him. So, because and as both are given in the bracket. So, what will come? As he was industrious, I encouraged him. Here in the beginning, that's why we will put as a reason. It is given. That's why as will come. Second, please write, I dictate. Here because and as both are given. So what will come? Please write as I dictate, the manner in which I dictate. So here please write as will come. Rosie got hurt. She fell down. So here you have to use because. Why? Reason is there. So Rosie got hurt because she fell down. You can put as also, both are correct, but here because is more suitable. We cancelled our tour. It was raining heavily. So here because or as Okay, you can use this because or as. Next, Ronik behaved honestly. He was rewarded. So as or because. So as will come because we are writing in the beginning. So that's why most probably when you write in the beginning, choose this one as. As Ronik behaved honestly, he was rewarded. So friends, here we completed our session. Hope you understood well. In my next series, the same thing we will continue the same. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.